Welcome to Tabasco, Mexico, a land where vibrant green landscapes sprawl as far as the eye can see, rivers snake through dense rainforests, and the air is alive with the sounds of an astonishing array of wildlife. From the heart of its untamed rainforest to the tranquil waters of its wetlands, Tabasco is a haven for unique and wonderful creatures. Join us now, as we venture into the heart of Tabasco, and discover the secrets of this Mexican gem. Tabasco's rainforests are a symphony of life. The air hangs heavy with humidity, sunlight dappling the forest floor through a dense canopy of leaves. Here, amongst the tangled vines and ancient trees, life teems in every corner. Listen closely, and you might hear the echoing call of the howler monkey, their cries ringing out through the trees. These remarkable creatures thrive in these forests, their calls a testament to the richness of their habitat. But the howler monkeys are just one part of this complex ecosystem. Look carefully, and you might spot the elusive jaguar, its coat blending seamlessly with the dappled light of the forest floor. These apex predators are a testament to the health of this ecosystem, their presence a sign of a truly thriving wilderness. The rainforests of Tabasco are a haven for smaller creatures too. Brightly colored tree frogs cling to leaves, their skin a vibrant contrast to the lush greenery. Insects hum and buzz, their ceaseless activity a vital part of the rainforest's delicate balance. These forests are also home to a startling diversity of bird life. Toucans, with their oversized beaks, feast on fruits, their vibrant plumage a flash of color against the green. Macaws, their feathers a rainbow of hues, soar through the canopy, their calls echoing through the trees. But Tabasco's rainforests are more than just a collection of individual creatures. They are a complex web of life, each organism playing a vital role in the ecosystem's survival. From the smallest insect to the largest predator, every creature here is connected, their lives intertwined in a delicate balance. Sadly, these rainforests face increasing pressure from human activity. It is our responsibility to protect these forests, to ensure that the incredible biodiversity of Tabasco's rainforests continues to thrive for generations to come. Tabasco, often called the land of rivers, is a place where water carves its way through the landscape, shaping the land and sustaining its incredible biodiversity. The Grijalva River, a mighty waterway, flows through the heart of the state, its waters teeming with life. The Usumacinta River, marking the border with Guatemala, is another of Tabasco's great rivers. Its waters, flowing from the highlands, bring life to the surrounding forests and wetlands, creating a haven for a wealth of species. These rivers are not just arteries of transportation, they are the lifeblood of Tabasco. Their banks teem with life, from crocodiles basking in the sun to flocks of waterbirds searching for their next meal. The Carrizal River, winding its way through Tabasco's lowlands, offers a glimpse into a world of tranquil beauty. Here, amongst the reeds and water lilies, you might be lucky enough to spot a river otter, its sleek body gliding effortlessly through the water. The rivers of Tabasco are also havens for fish, their waters supporting a vast array of species. Fishermen cast their nets into the flowing currents, their livelihoods intertwined with the rhythms of the river. But it's not just the rivers themselves that are so important. The wetlands that surround these waterways are equally vital ecosystems. These flooded forests and marshes act like giant sponges, absorbing rainwater and slowly releasing it, helping to regulate water levels and prevent flooding. These wetlands are also incredibly biodiverse. Here, amongst the tangled roots of mangrove trees, you'll find a world teeming with life. Tabasco's rivers and waterways are not just picturesque landscapes, they are the lifeblood of this remarkable state. Enter the heart of the Scentless Swamp, a vast expanse of wetlands designated a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Here, in this flooded labyrinth of waterways and vegetation, nature reigns supreme. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth and the sounds of life echoing across the water. The Scentless Swamp is a vital stopover point for migratory birds, their journeys taking them thousands of miles across the globe. Flocks of ducks and geese descend upon the wetlands, their calls creating a cacophony of sound that fills the air. But it's not just birds that find refuge in these wetlands. The Scentless Swamp is also home to a healthy population of Morales crocodiles, a species found only in Mexico, Belize, and Guatemala. These ancient reptiles, once hunted almost to extinction, are now making a comeback thanks to conservation efforts. The Scentless Swamp is also a sanctuary for the West Indian manatee, a gentle giant that grazes on aquatic plants. These elusive creatures, often called sea cows, are a testament to the ecological importance of this wetland environment. Birdwatchers flock to the Scentless Swamp, their binoculars trained on the skies, hoping to catch a glimpse of rare and endangered species. The wetlands are a haven for birdlife, from majestic herons to tiny, colorful kingfishers. The Scentless Swamp is a vital part of Tabasco's natural heritage. Its flooded forests, teeming with life, help to regulate water cycles, prevent flooding, and provide a vital habitat for countless species. But the scentless swamp, like many wetlands around the world, faces increasing pressure from human activity. It is our responsibility to protect this unique and irreplaceable wetland, to ensure that its beauty and biodiversity endure for generations to come. Chapter 4. Natural Reserves and Parks. Tabasco, recognizing the importance of its natural heritage, has established a network of protected areas, safe havens for wildlife and bastions of biodiversity. These reserves and parks offer a glimpse into the wild heart of Tabasco, where nature thrives under the watchful eye of conservation. La Chantalpa Biosphere Reserve, a vast expanse of tropical rainforest, is a prime example of Tabasco's commitment to conservation. Here, amongst the towering trees and dense undergrowth, jaguars roam freely, their presence a testament to the health of this ecosystem. Selva El Ocote, another jewel in Tabasco's conservation crown, protects a swathe of pristine rainforest. Here you'll find a staggering array of plant and animal life, from howler monkeys swinging through the canopy to brightly colored butterflies flitting through the undergrowth. These protected areas are not just havens for wildlife, they are also vital resources for local communities. Ecotourism provides jobs and income, while sustainable harvesting of forest products ensures that local people can benefit from the forest without harming it. But the true value of these reserves and parks lies in their ability to protect Tabasco's natural heritage for future generations. By safeguarding these ecosystems, we are ensuring that the incredible biodiversity of this region continues to thrive. As you explore these protected areas, take a moment to appreciate the importance of conservation. Chapter 5. Climate and Vegetation. Tabasco's climate, a symphony of sunshine and rain, is the driving force behind its incredible biodiversity. The state experiences a tropical climate, characterized by high humidity and significant rainfall throughout the year. This abundance of moisture, combined with year-round warmth, creates ideal conditions for plant life to flourish. Tabasco's landscapes are painted in every shade of green, a testament to the fertility of this land. Along Tabasco's coastline, mangroves form a vital barrier between land and sea. These hardy trees, their roots submerged in saltwater, provide a vital nursery for fish and crustaceans, their tangled branches offering protection from predators. Further inland, vast swaths of rainforest dominate the landscape. Here the air is thick with humidity, and the forest floor is a carpet of decaying leaves, providing nutrients for a staggering array of plant life. Tabasco's wetlands, a mosaic of flooded forests, marshes, and lagoons, are another testament to the state's unique climate. These waterlogged environments, teeming with life, play a vital role in regulating water cycles and preventing flooding. The climate of Tabasco, while undeniably challenging at times, is the very essence of its beauty. Chapter 6. Cultural Influence. The people of Tabasco have, for centuries, lived in harmony with their environment. The land, with its fertile soil and abundant waterways, has shaped their culture, traditions, and very way of life. Tabasco's cuisine is a celebration of its natural bounty. Fresh seafood caught in the rivers and along the coast features prominently in many dishes. Tropical fruits, grown in abundance thanks to the fertile soil and tropical climate, add a burst of flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. Cacao, the key ingredient in chocolate, has been cultivated in Tabasco for centuries. The state is renowned for its high-quality cacao beans, which are used to produce some of the finest chocolate in the world. Vanilla, another prized ingredient, also thrives in Tabasco's climate. The delicate vanilla orchids grown on plantations throughout the state produce fragrant vanilla beans that are highly sought after by chefs and food lovers around the world. But the influence of Tabasco's natural environment extends far beyond its cuisine. Traditional crafts, often made using materials sourced from the surrounding forests and wetlands, showcase the ingenuity and artistry of the Tabasco people. The people of Tabasco understand that their well-being is inextricably linked to the health of their environment. They have learned to live in balance with nature, taking only what they need and ensuring that the land and its resources are protected for future generations. As our journey through the heart of Tabasco comes to an end, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for this Mexican treasure. From its incredible biodiversity to the rich cultural tapestry woven by its people, Tabasco is a place where nature and culture intertwine in perfect harmony. We urge you to learn more about Tabasco and support the efforts to conserve its natural wonders for generations to come. This corner of Mexico, with its vibrant landscapes and warm-hearted people, will stay with you long after you've watched this film. Until next time, keep exploring.